Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be reviving this old John Deere LA105 lawn tractor. Thanks for joining me. I bought this back in 2009, brand new, had it for a few years, ended up selling it. The person that I sold it to no longer does their own lawn care, and so they did not need this lawn tractor anymore. So I've recently got this back, and now I need to go through, and I know it hasn't been running at least 2 years, so I'll just need to go through it, see what's going on, and get it going so I can use it here for my lawn. So I've got everything that I should need for it here on this cart. We got some oil, an oil filter, air filter, fuel filter, a replacement spark plug, which is the equivalent to the Champion that was in it. It also did not come with an ignition key, so I had to get a new ignition key for it. And of course I got some gloves. So I'll give you a quick walk around. I haven't owned this mower in about 10 years, so haven't really seen it much, other than it being incredibly dirty, which I hate shit when it's incredibly dirty, but it's incredibly dirty. Looks like there's some paint bubbling off the mower deck, so I'll have to address that. Obviously needs to be cleaned because I thought it was stored indoors. It's pretty gnarly for being stored indoors. I don't know why that's bungee strapped up like that. I doubt there's any charge on that. I'll try the key, see if anything comes on. That hour meter does not light up. Nope, nothing. So, battery will need to be either charged up or replaced. I wasn't thinking about that, so maybe I'll just charge it, see if it'll take a charge. But there we go, John Deere, 19.5 horsepower, Briggs & Stratton motor. The air filter goes in here. That's nice and easy to remove and change. And that's the oil drain right there. And over on the other side here is the oil filter. And let's see. That is AM125424. And this is an AM125424. So very good. I got the right oil filter for it. One last thing, I gotta check the fuel. I'm sure there's either no fuel or bad fuel. wouldn't say. I would say that that's bad fuel. So Have to get that cleaned out and just get all this fired up and going. Well, according to the date stamp, that is 2013. So that is a battery that I put in it just before I sold it. So who knows if this will even take a charge. Well, I guess we'll see if it'll take a charge. Get this air filter out of here. I'll change that up. Put the new one in. Well, that was a big pain, but I got the new fuel filter in. Just need to put some fresh gas in it and see if it'll start. Yeah, it's going to need a new battery. so for the oil change, it's actually super easy. This just twists off. And you just gotta kind of pull it. And there we go. And we'll let that oil drain out into the drip pan. And with that drained, we will put the little cap back on. It just pushes and twists back on. And next we just have to take the oil filter off. That should just twist off. Oh, I'm going to need a wrench on that one. Should fit. There we go. Alright, that is on there pretty tight, but we're getting her. Just had to use a filter wrench to get this started. Yeah, it's gonna come off now. Put a little oil in the filter and a little dab of oil around that rubber seal there. And we'll just put this on here. You just need to hand tighten it. And then you just need to fill the oil filler up. It takes a total of 1.5 quarts of oil. And then you just need to check the oil level. That's perfect. All right, new battery, moment of truth. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time. I just need to put air in the tire and go mow my lawn.